Hey, Slimesters.
We're back, take 2, right?
Yeah.
All right. Where were we?
Bless you.
Thank you.
We're well, we're about to put the glitter in.
Okay, let's do it.
Should we put the sequins in or the glitter in first?
Let's go with the glitter.
Oh, let's put the sequins.
Whatever.
Sequins are in.
Now we're gonna mix it up.
What time do you leave tomorrow, Gary?
Like 5:15.
Is your boss picking you up?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Going out of town for a day,
Why?
for a night, for work.
Oh, you can barely see the sequins, but
They're in there. When you stretch it, you can see them.
yeah, and they're starting to pop out a little bit. Time to add the glitter.
Ooh. For some reason, this sticks to me way more than it sticks to you. I'm just not good at sliming. Every time I touch it.
Okay, so we put this gold glitter in there. And that's what it looks like. So we're gonna mix up the gold glitter now. This slime's real clicky. And you can kind of see it.
All right.
Now we got this silver glitter. There.
And some broken teeth.
This comes out fast. Okay, so we got the silver glitter. This is what it looks like.
Before we mix it. She can just grab it, and I touch it, it just sticks.
You can't even see the silver glitter.
A little bit.
That's what it looks like so far.
That
Okay,
looks
now we
pretty
have
good.
the last glitter, which is this orange, blue, and silver glitter.
We should be able to see the brighter colors, I think.
How long did you put the chicken in, babe?
Probably 20 minutes.
Also, Glenn still has an hour, huh?
Yeah, it still has a little while.
Oh, I'm cooking all this stuff. I didn't realize that. Maybe I should turn off the water for the mashed potatoes.
Yeah, I would. Those only take like 5 minutes.
You can actually see the orange really good. See?
Oh, good catch.
Yeah. Let me go see if I have anything else. You just keep them occupied. Tell them about your crystal.
Oh, the crystal I grew? Ooh, we can do that, finish that today too. Forgot about that. And it's stuck all over me.
It's stuck all over him. I found some glitter and some hearts.
You didn't see how big it was, Gary?
Yeah, I'm gonna drain
Oh my
it.
goodness.
Look.
Give me your hands.
Oh, you're not supposed to do that?
Why?
It's like real sensitive. I guess if you're careful.
I did it once today.
You're gonna say, huh?
Let me
What did you
see.
say, Madison?
I said she already did it once today. Oh, that Krister might not turn out so good after all, huh?
This is a house full of girls. I think I need to wear like rubber gloves next time.
You think? Okay, that's
All right, that's good enough. All right.
So now I have these hearts, which you can get these from the Dollar Tree. Yeah. They're from Valentine's Day, but they're these little hearts. So I'm going to put them in the slime. And then I found this glitter. This like white glitter.
Yes.
You know what the tinfoil is?
It should be right around. Oh no, we're out of tinfoil.
Really?
Yep. Unless there's another one in there.
And that's what it looks like with the glitter and the hearts.
All right, let's wrap this thing up.
Hold on, you have to see the after all, the aftermath. The hearts you can see really good. They're pretty.
Give them a nice close-up of the final product for now. To all the slimesters out there.
Yep, and this is
All
it.
3 of them.
And yeah, all 3 of them. I have 7 subscribers, Gary.
Ooh, we're moving up.
Try to get it to 1 million. So we can get some more.
All right.
Yep, and that's it. It's actually a really nice slime, though. I thought this was going to be a fail.
Mm-hmm.
Except we don't have food coloring.
Yeah, it turned out pretty good. Other than it sticks to me like crazy, and not you. All right. Till next time, Slimesters.
Now someone come clean this up. Oh shoot, I think I'm
Not it.
sitting in it.
I'm out of here.
Get back here, peace.